Are you tired of constantly battling the desire for something sweet with the need to maintain a healthy diet? Do you find yourself feeling guilty after indulging in traditional high-calorie treats? If so, you're not alone. The struggle to balance a love for sweets with a commitment to healthy eating is a common one. Fortunately, there's a solution: healthy, low-calorie sweets. In this video, we'll explore the truth about these treats, and why they may be the answer to your cravings. Stick around to discover some tasty options that won't sabotage your health goals. It's common for people to have a desire for sweet foods and indulge in sugary snacks occasionally. However, indulging in sweets too often can lead to weight gain and other health problems. But what if you could satisfy your sweet tooth without sabotaging your diet? That's where healthy, low-calorie sweets come in. First, let's define what healthy, low-calorie sweets are. These are treats that are made with healthier ingredients and are lower in calories than traditional sweets. They can be made with natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup instead of refined sugar, and can include nutrient-dense ingredients like nuts, seeds, and whole grains. So why are these types of sweets a good option for those trying to maintain a healthy diet? For starters, they provide essential nutrients that traditional sweets lack. For example, a low-calorie sweet made with nuts and seeds can provide healthy fats, fiber, and protein that your body needs. They can also be a good source of vitamins and minerals, depending on the ingredients used. Additionally, eating healthy, low-calorie sweets can reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Traditional sweets are often high in sugar, which can lead to inflammation and increase the risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and other health problems. By choosing low-calorie sweets made with natural sweeteners and healthier ingredients, you're reducing your risk of these diseases. But don't be fooled: just because a sweet is labeled as healthy doesn't mean you should eat it in excess. Portion control is still important when it comes to maintaining a healthy diet. However, by incorporating healthy, low-calorie sweets into your diet in moderation, you can satisfy your sweet tooth without feeling guilty. Common misconceptions about healthy low-calorie sweets. When it comes to satisfying your sweet tooth, it's often assumed that you have to choose between indulging in high-calorie treats or settling for bland, unsatisfying options. However, there are plenty of misconceptions surrounding healthy low-calorie sweets that are simply not true. Misconception number 1: healthy, low-calorie sweets don't taste good. Many people believe that in order for a dessert to be delicious, it has to be loaded with sugar, butter, and other unhealthy ingredients. This couldn't be further from the truth. There are plenty of healthy low-calorie sweets that are just as tasty as their high-calorie counterparts. For example, have you ever tried making a fruit salad with a drizzle of honey and a sprinkle of cinnamon? Or how about whipping up some homemade frozen yogurt using Greek yogurt, frozen berries, and a touch of honey? These desserts are not only healthy and low in calories, but they're also bursting with flavor. Misconception number 2: healthy, low-calorie sweets are hard to find. Another common misconception is that finding healthy low-calorie desserts is a difficult task. While it's true that many traditional desserts are high in calories and sugar, there are plenty of healthier options available. One great place to look for healthy low-calorie desserts is at your local health food store. They often carry a variety of snacks and treats that are made with natural ingredients and are low in calories. You can also find plenty of recipes online for healthy low-calorie desserts that you can make at home. Misconception number 3: healthy low-calorie sweets won't satisfy your sweet tooth. Many people believe that in order to satisfy their sweet tooth, they need to indulge in high-calorie desserts. However, this simply isn't true. There are plenty of healthy low-calorie sweets that will satisfy your cravings for something sweet. For example, have you ever tried dipping apple slices in almond butter? Or how about making some homemade dark chocolate bark with nuts and dried fruit? These desserts are not only delicious, but they're also healthy and low in calories. Examples of healthy, low-calorie sweets: fruit-based desserts. Fruits are a great source of natural sweetness and can be used to create a variety of healthy, low-calorie desserts. Some popular options include: 1. Fruit salad. This is a simple and refreshing option that can be customized to your liking. Simply chop up your favorite fruits and mix them together for a sweet and healthy dessert. 2. Baked apples. Apples are a great source of fiber and can be baked with a variety of toppings for a healthy dessert. Try baking them with cinnamon and a drizzle of honey for a delicious and low-calorie treat. 3. Berry parfait. Layer fresh berries with low-fat yogurt and granola for a healthy and satisfying dessert. This option is packed with protein and fiber, making it a great choice for a post-workout snack. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is a great option for those who love chocolate but want to keep their calorie intake in check. Dark chocolate contains antioxidants and can help lower blood pressure, making it a healthier choice than milk chocolate. When choosing dark chocolate, look for options that contain at least 70% cocoa. By following this advice, you can maximize the health advantages of your chocolate consumption. Homemade treats with natural sweeteners. Another great way to enjoy healthy, low-calorie sweets is to make your own treats using natural sweeteners. Some popular options include 1. Date bars. Dates are a great source of natural sweetness and can be used to create a variety of healthy treats. Try blending dates with nuts and seeds to create a delicious and healthy snack bar. 2. Banana ice cream. Frozen bananas can be blended into a creamy and delicious ice cream without the added sugar and calories of traditional ice cream. 3. Oatmeal raisin cookies. These classic cookies can be made healthier by using whole wheat flour and natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup. Nutritional content. While these healthy, low-calorie sweets are a great option for those looking to indulge without the guilt, it's important to remember that they still contain calories and should be enjoyed in moderation. When compared to traditional high-calorie sweets, these options are typically lower in calories, sugar, and fat. For example, a serving of fruit salad contains around 100 calories, while a slice of chocolate cake can contain upwards of 500 calories. For more informative videos, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Tips for incorporating healthy, low-calorie sweets into your diet. Many desserts and treats are high in calories, sugar, and unhealthy fats, making them a less than optimal choice for those who want to maintain a healthy weight or manage their blood sugar levels. However, with a little bit of creativity and some smart substitutions, you can enjoy healthy, low-calorie sweets that won't derail your diet. Here are 5 tips for incorporating healthy, low-calorie sweets into your diet. 1. Swap high-calorie treats for low-calorie options. One of the easiest ways to incorporate healthy, low-calorie sweets into your diet is to replace high-calorie treats with low-calorie options. Instead of reaching for a candy bar or a slice of cake, try a piece of fruit, a small serving of low-fat yogurt, or a sugar-free popsicle. These options will satisfy your sweet tooth without adding too many calories to your diet. 2. Make homemade desserts. When you make your own desserts, you have control over the ingredients and can make healthier substitutions. For example, instead of using sugar in your recipe, you can use a natural sweetener like honey or maple syrup. You can also substitute whole wheat flour for white flour, which will add more fiber to your dessert. Plus, making your own desserts can be a fun and creative activity that you can share with family and friends. 3. Use fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables can be used to add natural sweetness to your desserts. For example, you can use mashed bananas or applesauce instead of oil or butter in your recipes. You can also add sweet vegetables like sweet potatoes or beets to your desserts for added flavor and nutrition. Try making a dessert using zucchini or carrots for a delicious, low-calorie treat. 4. Choose low-calorie sweeteners. There are many low-calorie sweeteners available that can be used in place of sugar. Some popular options include stevia, erythritol, and xylitol. These sweeteners are much lower in calories than sugar and won't cause blood sugar spikes like traditional sugar can. When using these sweeteners, be sure to follow the instructions on the package for best results. 5. Find healthy, low-calorie sweet options. There are many healthy, low-calorie sweet options available at the grocery store and online. Look for snacks that are high in protein and fiber, such as protein bars or low-sugar granola bars. You can also find low-calorie ice cream or frozen yogurt brands that are made with natural sweeteners and have fewer calories than traditional ice cream. In conclusion, healthy low-calorie sweets are a great option for those who want to maintain a healthy diet without sacrificing their sweet tooth. These sweets provide essential nutrients and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Despite common misconceptions, there are plenty of delicious and easy-to-find options available. By incorporating these sweets into your diet, you can enjoy guilt-free indulgences and support your overall health and wellness.